In this video, we're going to look at a report which can display the change logs. The report is RSS CD200. So this report will help us analyze the change documents which are generated by each and every object. We execute the report. So we can pick all the different objects available. Okay. Here. Okay. All the objects which are available, which we saw on the other screen where where configuration can be done. So we pick a bank. Okay. So we can also type in the table name. If you know the table name, you can also type the table name, and then also you can do a specific key. So you can also give a username who changed that document. Okay, and you also, of course, you have date ranges and time changes also. Okay. So let's execute. So 01, not be any data. Okay, no change log found. So, but this is the place where you come in and look for the change logs which have been generated. That way, if you want to troubleshoot any changes happening, you can come and troubleshoot here. Thanks for watching the video. Click on the link below to watch the SAP Cyber Security webinar we conducted last week. Thank you.